Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to delete folder on Wix.com. So guys, if you have any unnecessary folder and now you want to delete some folders, they are useless for you. So how will you do? So you don't need to confuse about that. Just simply you have to go on any project that you want to delete, and here you will see this three dotted button. You have to click on it. The pop-up will appear on your screen, and here you will see delete folder. You have to click on it. In just few seconds your folder will be deleted from your Wix account. As you can see guys, in this green bar you can see my folder has been deleted. I am going to refresh this page and done. As you can see guys, there is no any other folder and my folder has been deleted from here. So guys, this is how to delete folder on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.